Hi, this is Karen of Swisher. We're back today with Mike, my master technician. He's going to be showing you how to keep proper tension on the belt on your walk-behind rough cut mowers.
Hi, we're going to do a little bit of tension on the transmission belts. They normally stretch out doing time and stuff, so you'll kind of want to keep them tight and everything. The way we do that is we have to remove this rear plate, which I've already removed, so you can get to this nut in back of the motor base. You loosen the nut in back of the motor base, pull back to tighten it. To loosen it, you would want to loosen this nut and push forward. And that's how you do your tension on your transmission belt. Then you have to go in, put all your plates back on and go forth from there. Then, in front of the unit, we have your blade belt tension. I have to move this cover. And right here is your idle arm. This spring cable is your belt tensioner for your blade belt. You would want to loosen this nut here and pull this cable backwards and tighten that back nut up back here. And that will put tension on your belt for your blades. And then, if you ever have a hard time shifting your gears on your gear shifter, we have some cables that will need to do some adjusting down here. What you want to do is pull this cable down as far as you can and tighten this back nut up. And that'll put tension on your gear shifter. And that'll make the gear shift a lot easier. And that's how we do our tension on our walk-behind rough cut units.
Thanks, Mike. We really appreciate you showing us how to tension these belts on our walk-behind rough cut mowers.
You're welcome.
If you need any parts, give us a call at 1-800-222-8183. You can also visit our website, www.swisherinc.com, or come by and see us at 1602 Corporate Drive here in Warrensburg, Missouri for your American-made parts and products.